Hi friends, welcome to Cyclone TV India. So this is the latest update on Cyclone Amphan. Cyclone Amphan will form by this weekend. Closer circulation of cloud clusters over our South Andaman Sea cited high tropical cyclone heat potential, warm air incursion and positive vorticity will prove clinches in cyclone genesis. ECMRWF forecasters another low part having threat to Kerala. The CAMRWF model shows likely bringing of two cyclones by Bob. Kerala on radar. You can see it. When coronavirus in the country are keenly guarding against the COVID onslaught on the country, the cyclone watchers are keeping a close tab on the low pressure area or low part formed over Andaman Seas. More worrying is another circulation is being observed over Sri Lanka. ECMRWF model shows Kerala on radar. What makes the job of weathermen on us this time is the low pass system over Andaman Seas has simply kept all guessing. Dissipation signs of low pass are few, but the needle tilts heavily towards intensification of the system at a later date. As per latest release by Regional Specialized Meteorological Center or RSMC Delhi, the low part of the South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal Bob persists over the same region. The release added that it is very likely to persist meandering over South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bob during the next 5 days. A look at the satellite images show presence of cloud clusters over the South Andaman Sea. They also indicate a closer circulation of clouds, as you can see here. But the major fact is all closely situated circular cloud clusters never goes up to become a tropical cyclone. History of cyclone genesis over the years across the world has documented that only 8% of closely circulated cloud clusters had evolved into a tropical cyclone. Will this low part develop to cyclone Amphan? The South Asian region's East Tropical Cyclone Watch Body (RSMC Delhi) says intensification of the low part over South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bob is likely to be a gradual process. Well, RSMC Delhi thinks so. As per RSMC, till April 11, there is little probability of increase in convective activity in Bob. The recent Madden-Julian oscillation will move to phase 8 during subsequent 4 days. It is this weather phenomenon that will keep the low part meandering. Intensification factors strong. While the sea surface temperature over the entire Bob is over 20 degrees Celsius, the South Andaman Seas have a SST of around 31 degrees Celsius, as you can see here. Since SST is described as the skin temperature of the seas, wind flow may foster disfavorable conditions. However, an ECG of the Bob shows prevalence of host of favorable parameters. The estimated tropical cyclone heat potential (TCHP) of Bob is very high, and the TCHP is estimated at more than 100 kilojoules centimeter square over Andaman Sea and major parts of the south and central Bob. The high value favors the intensification of low part into a tropical cyclone. Other favorable observations are vorticity of air at the higher and lower level and extension of the system up to upper tropospheric level. Lower level positive vorticity observed over parts of South Bob and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean. Small zones of higher positive vorticity measured over South Andaman Sea, and the zone over South Andaman Sea is extending up to 500 HPA. But a zone over Sri Lanka is extending up to 200 HPA, informed the RSMC release. The significant observation is when the zone over South Andaman is extending through most of the troposphere, the zone over Sri Lanka is extending up to the whole of the troposphere. As per ECMRWF, the zone over Sri Lanka will develop into a cyclone and will move towards Kerala coast. This vertical extension and positive vorticity are the signs that show the zones may develop into a tropical cyclone in coming days. Landfall wind. IMD GFS reveals incursion of warm air from equatorial region. The wind in the zone over South Andaman Sea is measured at over 10 meters per second. Therefore, it predicts formation of cyclone by this weekend. IMD is 8 opened its card on landfall. And ECMRWF European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecast predicts the landfall date will be around May 15 to 16 and place will be Myanmar. Almost all mate models are unanimous that the developing cyclone will drift away from Odisha coast towards Myanmar. So it was the latest update of Cyclone Amphan. Keep watching our channel for the latest updates. Thank you.